What's up, gang? So I wanted to do a quick tip. This is going to be like a 2-minute video, probably, maybe a little longer, depending on how stubborn these tires are. I wanted to tell you how to get the tires off of one of these older Ertl 60 series tractors, 60, 70 series. Most of these older four-wheel drives from Ertl are like this. A lot of the Case IH tractors are like this too, like the STX four-wheel drives. So you can see it's a plastic tractor. They're pushed onto an axle. This axle has a barb on it, like that. Now, you might be able to get real lucky and just pull those off with bare strength. I could do that when I was younger, getting a little older, getting some arthritis in the hands. I can't grip them like I used to, unfortunately. So we've got to use some tricks to make that work. And real quick, in case you're wondering, you're probably not. You can tell this is a 60 series tractor because it has the longer grill on the side. See how like that grilling goes all the way back to where my finger is? If this were a 70 series tractor, it would just go to this little seam right here where my finger's at now. And then also another kind of tip is 70 series tractors have, see where this rail is kind of all the way out? The 70 series tractor runs all the way down the side of these steps, where the 60 series tractor does not. So that's kind of the difference there. Anyway, this is going to be an 8960. We had a real 8960 at the farm, had triples on it. I have 3D printed the correct rims for those triples. I'm going to use some Mini Toy Truck and Tractor 18/8 38 tires for the triples. And I'm going to drill this out, these rivets over here, fill this hood seam in, and then I'm actually going to swap the cab off of a clear cab 70 series from Ertl. You know, so it had the cab glass in the interior in it, and I'm going to put on this blacked out cab 60 series. So that's what's going on here, in case you were wondering. And then we got to get these back tires off. So like I said, you can pull them off. The tire puller tools that are out there do not work well on the 60 and 70 series Ertl four-wheel drives. There's too much space back here for those to work really well. Panel puller pliers sometimes work, but what happens a lot of times is those just pull these tires off on these tractors. So how are we going to do this? All right, set this puppy down here upside down. We're going to grab our handy dandy heat gun. I got a Craftsman heat gun. You can probably get a Harbor Freight one stupid cheap that'll work just as well. And we're going to heat this puppy up. And I'm going to get it good and hot. And I'm focusing the heat right where those rims meet that axle, because I want that plastic really good and hot. All right, practice good heat gun safety. I've got an aluminum ladder with a slot there. That way that nozzle, or that end, which is super hot, doesn't hurt anything. Okay, gonna set you down here. We're gonna grab here. Watch this. Boom. Pulled it off. Perfect. Didn't damage the rim too bad. So this is resellable. Although honestly, in 2018 here, 2019 here, nobody wants these anymore. But it used to be able to resell those quite a bit. Check that out. No goo or gunk on the axle. Just slides right through. And we have ourselves, sorry about the glare, guys. We have ourselves a 60 series John Deere tractor without tires that we're ready to work on. So there it is. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope your tractor projects are going well this winter. It is cold, cold, cold outside. It's about 15 degrees. Wind's blowing about 45. And it's brutal. So it's a good tractor day. All right, have yourselves a great weekend. Happy tractor hunting, guys.